Howdy. This is our latest upgrade for the Agnew Analog Type 612 Disk Mastering Lathe. As you probably know if you've been following our work, the Type 612 carriage is hydraulically actuated. So that means that it uses hydraulic fluid pushing the carriage across the surface of the record as it cuts the grooves. To make sure this works smoothly, all the air needs to be evacuated from the system, and this is where the bleeding system comes in. So to use it, you first need to open these tabs here, and then you can advance the carriage forward and backward by hand to actuate the cylinder across its full length. As you're advancing the carriage, the air is expelled out of the system and it is being replaced with a hydraulic fluid. To complete the bleeding procedure, you just keep advancing and retracting the carriage, so you exercise the cylinders in and out while observing the bubbles that are being formed in the liquid. You just keep on moving the cylinders until you don't see any bubbles there anymore. As these systems are being shipped all around the world, we're realizing that to ensure compliance with shipping regulations, we have to start shipping these machines empty of hydraulic fluid and send the hydraulic fluid in sealed bottles separately. So the user will need to be filling the system with the hydraulic fluid and then doing a full bleeding of the system. So we had to develop some way of making this possible without requiring the user to already own specialized hydraulic system bleeding equipment.